Hello guys, I am going to show you how to connect Zapier with ConvertBox in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. Log into your Zapier account and select Make a Zap from the header menu. Step 2. Select webhooks for the Trigger app. If you don't see the webhooks icon, you can type it in the search field. Step 3. Select Catch Hook as the webhook type and then click Save plus Continue. Step 4. Next, Zapier will provide you the option to pick off a child key. This is optional, and leaving this option empty will allow you to grab all the data that ConvertBox passes. Leave this field empty and click Continue. Step 5. Zapier will now provide you with a webhook URL. You are going to need this in our next step inside the ConvertBox app, so click Copy to Clipboard. Step 6. Keep the Zapier page open and in ConvertBox select the form element you want to connect Zapier to. In the ConvertBox editor, select your form element. Then on the left sidebar select the Form Settings button. Step 7. In the Form Settings modal select the Integrations tab and then select the Add Integration button under the default integrations. Step 8. On the Use Integration option select Webhooks, then paste the webhook URL copied from Zapier in Step 5 into the webhook URL field and click the Send Test button. You must click the Send Test button before proceeding, or the following steps in Zapier will not work. Wait for the test to send, usually take 1 to 3 seconds, and then click Add Form Action. Once the test has sent, select Add Integration, and your new integration will show under the Form Integrations tab. Step 9. Your new webhook action will now appear in your list of integrations for this form. Click Save to close the Form Actions modal, and don't forget to save the changes to your ConvertBox in the editor. Step 10. Go back to your Zapier page and click OK. I did this. If your webhook connection was successful, you'll see a success message in Zapier. Click Continue to finish creating your trigger and move on to creating an action. If you don't see this message after waiting a few minutes, go back to Step 9 and make sure you sent the test from ConvertBox, then come back to Zapier and select OK. I did this again.